and thanks for tuning in to Guitar Guy. Today I'm going to be showing you our version of Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. I'll be showing you the two parts that make up this whole song. And in this song we'll be using a couple of our key fundamentals, including power chords, short bar chords, and downstrumming. Okay, so let's start off by me showing you the opening riff. It's pretty tough to forget once it's in your head. Okay, so here are the chords you're going to need. These are my short bar chords. So first one is the E. They're all going to use the same shape, keep in mind. So the E, I'm barring with my ring finger, or your second finger, whatever you feel more comfortable with. The G, the D, the C, and the B. And the two extra chords we're going to use are the low G and the low A. So the first thing we play in this song is the build-up after the bass and drums. So if you listen to the song, it's all bass and drums up until this part. So when the guitar comes in, you're going to build up on these two chords, the lower G and the low A. And it's all downstrokes. And then it's into that chorus riff. So the chorus starts out on the E chord, and it's strummed twice, just like that. And then you're going to strum it again with a slide up to the G chord, just like that. And when you're at the G chord, you're going to hit it once you're up there, just like that. And now we climb down all these chords like this. E, D, C, okay, so start at the beginning. Do it one more time. Okay, now the second progression is almost the same, you just play it a little bit different. You start off the same. When you get to the C chord, you're going to go C, C. Put it all together. So the chorus just cycles those two progressions back and forth. Here they are once again. First one, second one. Back to the first one. Second one. So the chorus goes through these two patterns until you get to the ending of the chorus, and it plays the build-up, which is the low G and the low A again. And then you're back into the bass lick and the drums, which is the verse. So, believe it or not, that's everything you need to know to play this song. We hope you've had fun, and we'll see you next time on GuitarGuy.tv.